इलेक्शन ड्यूटी वाला पार्ट तो नहीं है साहब उसमें।
हाँ, फिर कैसे हो जाएगा? आप लोग कुछ भी आरोप लगा के किसी को हटा देंगे
नहीं पर
क्योंकि वो आपके पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता के
नहीं
नहीं
ऐसा इसमें मेरी प्रार्थना ये थी
आप पहले तो ये बताइए कि ये चुनाव जो होते हैं वार्ड के, ये पार्टी लाइंस पे होते हैं? भारतीय जनता पार्टी, कांग्रेस, हमने तो नहीं सुना।
नहीं
समर्थन रहता है
हाँ पर
क्या?
सिंबल
पार्टी
सिंबल अलॉटमेंट होता है सर।
सिंबल अलॉटमेंट पार्टी का होता है कि साइकिल, मटका, गिलास,
नहीं पर
केची क्या दिया जाता है? नहीं, हमने हमने भी तो वोट किया है म्यूनिसिपैलिटी के चुनाव में, इसीलिए तो पूछ रहे हैं। हमने तो कभी कमल का और फूल और अन्य हाथ और क्या क्या साइकिल नहीं देखी।
अभी होने लगा सर।
अभी होने लगा होगा। कहाँ है वो?
पर इसमें भी था।
कंडक्ट रूल्स में तो है नहीं आपके चुनाव में भाग लेना।
नहीं पर यहाँ इसमें क्या
और
सर,
उसकी फिर एविडेंस कहाँ है? 65B का सर्टिफिकेट कहाँ है कि इन्होंने मोबाइल से भेजा? आई एम
मानसी
क्वेश्चनिंग दिस ऑर्डर।
मानसी भी समझे।
रीस्टेड हर।
मेरी 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 प्रार्थना से पूर्ण कराने साहब कि मेलोडी इनको जनरल जो कंडक्ट रूल्स होते हैं, अब चूंकि ये मानसेवी है, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय नहीं मान सकते
हाँ हाँ
इनको,
हाँ।
पर ये गवर्नमेंट फंड से ही इनको दिया
तो
जाता
क्या
है।
कर रहे हैं? कहाँ कंडक्ट रूल्स लागू कर दीजिए कि मान सेवी के ऊपर भी लागू होंगे। ऐसा लिखा कहाँ है आपके अधिकारियों ने?
ऐसा लिखा
फिर लिखिएगा। दिस
2007 का सर्कुलर है, इनका कोई सर्विस रूल्स नहीं है साहब।
हाँ, यही तो दिक्कत है। दिस पिटीशन इज फाइल्ड बीइंग एग्रीव्ड ऑफ ऑर्डर डेटेड क्या 11/7?
3 है साहब, एक
नहीं,
पहला है।
पहली वाली
ग्यारह सात
पी
बाईस
12 11/7/2022 पास्ड बाय प्रोजेक्ट ऑफिसर विमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट सोहागपुर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट होशंगाबाद।
जी सर।
यस मैम।
District Hoshangabad, whereby project officer has dispensed with the services of the petitioner who was working as Anganwadi Karyakarta at Subhash Ward number 1 on the allegation that she had participated in the election of her sister who was a candidate to the election which was to take place for नहीं सॉरी, ये गलत हो गया। क्या लिखा? Election, her sister Srimati Sarita Ahirwar was a candidate for election to the post of ward member of the local body. Full stop. It is further alleged that besides suppressing this fact that her sister Srimati Sarita Ahirwar is a candidate to the election, she participated in the campaigning, and on such ground her on recording such fact that she had used her WhatsApp number 9329802436 to carry out campaign in favor of her sister, a screenshot of which was forwarded by the complainant to the project officer. Her services have been dispensed with. Next para. It is submitted that thereafter the additional collector Narmadapuram in case number 0036/appeal/2022-23 wide order dated 16/9/2022 has maintained the orders of the project officer and had dismissed the first appeal. Next para. Thereafter, second appeal was preferred before the Commissioner Narmadapuram Division, Narmadapuram, which was registered as case number 067/appeal/2022-23 dated 26/12/2022, whereby petitioner's second appeal too has been dismissed, hence this writ petition. Next para. It is submitted that there are no conduct rules for Anganwadi Karyakarta. They are getting honorarium. They are not government servants. Conduct rules दीजिएगा निकाल के इसमें से. Full stop. It is further submitted that allegation is that since petitioner's sister was a Congress candidate and petitioner supported her, therefore her services have been dispensed with. Full stop. there is no mention of any provision to show that which of the conduct rules was violated by the petitioner. Full stop. Allegations are vague and omnibus. Full stop. She has been made an scapegoat for the for the on account of her sister contesting election on a Congress ticket. Full stop. It is a pure and simple case of vendetta. Full stop. Next, Shri Manas Mani Verma, learned government advocate, supports impugned orders and submits that though petitioner is not a member of civil service, but fact of the matter is that she was campaigning in favor of a Congress candidate and was participating in political activities. Full stop. Such conduct of the petitioner is dehors the provisions and therefore her services have been rightly terminated. Full stop. It is further submitted that her service conditions are governed by circulars issued from time to time and therefore her termination cannot be interfered by this court. Next para. Shri Manas Mani Verma places reliance on the circular issued by Women and Child Development Department dated 10/7/2007 bearing number F-3-2/06/50-2 to support his case that under certain circumstances, services of an Anganwadi Karyakarta can be dispensed with and thus it is submitted that removal of the petitioner from the post of Anganwadi Karyakarta cannot be faulted with. Next para. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record, as far as the Madhya Pradesh Civil Services Conduct Rules 1965 are concerned, these rules under Rule 1 clearly provides that these rules shall apply to government servants who are members of the All India Service, and holders of any post in respect of which the governor may, by general or special order, declare that these rules shall not apply. Full stop. In the present case, no notification is brought by the state to substantiate that these conduct rules are applicable to a Anganwadi Karyakarta, which is a honorary engagement. Next pair. As far as policy dated 10/7/2007 is concerned, it is provided that if a institution is not satisfied with the work of any Anganwadi Karyakarta / Anganwadi Sahika, then a proposal shall be moved for removal of such person by the superintendent and thereafter calling for the explanation and giving 15 days time after conducting inquiry. Such action may be taken as is provided in the circular. Full stop. However, there is no mention of the fact that a person cannot participate in the campaigning. Full stop. Next para. It has also come on record and not disputed that petitioner had denied her participation in the election campaigning. Full stop. There is no bar on relative of a Anganwadi Karyakarta participating in the election. Full stop. Even otherwise, participating in election being a democratic right, that could not have been curtailed. Full stop. There is no provision in the circular which provides that a person, Anganwadi Karyakarta is required to give intimation to the higher authorities if any of his or her relatives are required to contest an election to the local body or to any other body. Full stop. The officers of the state, starting from the project officer till the divisional commissioner, appears to be oblivious of the legal provisions that a screenshot of a WhatsApp message is not admissible in evidence unless the requirements of section 65 dash capital B of the Evidence Act are fulfilled. Full stop. In Evidence Act 1872 are fulfilled. Thus, without obtaining a verification and certification in regard to the screenshot and a screenshot pointing out that it belongs to the mobile phone of the petitioner to substantiate that she had participated in the election campaign of her sister, comma, the action of the project officer as ratified by the additional collector and the commissioner appears to be an exercise in vacuum whereby all the three authorities appears to be acting on the political dictates of their political masters rather than acting as an official in their individual capacity, who are governed by and should be governed by the rule of law. Full stop. Next para. Thus, for violation of rule of law, impugned orders cannot be sustained in the eyes of law. Therefore, they are hereby quashed. Petitioner is directed to be reinstated with all consequential benefits within 7 days from today.
Great, you guys much.
Number 50.